Time for Mr. Jojo's vet visit. He's got his yearly exam and I believe distemper or feline shots. Yeah. Get Jojo out. Jojo. There he is. Hi. You want to come out? There he goes. We'll go explore a bit. Yeah, he's the sweet one. Look at him. You gonna sit with Mama? Yeah. Wait for your visit, huh? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. This is our first puppy. Jojo mostly thinks he's a puppy than a kitty. Oh, there's a big dog coming. If y'all could see it. Sound like a big pup, big pup. Oh, Joji. Oh, what you talking about? It's like he's just gonna get acquainted with the room. His accommodations. He's always worried I'm gonna leave him here. Huh. You gotta get your shots. Coming down.
Alrighty, I'm taking him over your nurse today. We're just doing some vaccines for Jojo.
Mm-hmm.